Hey, hello everyone, I'm going to do a short video unboxing review about this model from Para 64 in a 1/64 scale, and it's the 2014 Toyota Land Cruiser 76 IRC. Let's have a look at the package first. It comes in a display case. It's official licensed product, that is what we like. We got barcode and article numbers for the ones who are interested. And yes, I got it from the Diecast company from the Netherlands, better known as Tom's Model Autos, or in English, model cars. Here we got some more information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. I did a lot of reviews about Para 64 models. I like the brand, and lately they improved. They got some better tires on some of the vehicles. And yes, I think it's a pretty cool looking diecast brand with a lot of different and good models. Okay, we got a nice diorama or a photo of the real one here in the back. This thing is driving around. Well, the last time I saw it on TV, it was in Africa. Okay, we got some tape here. So it's still driving around, doing his job. Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series. Nice, authentic looking rims. Toyota logo, lanced headlights. Comité International Geneva. Fuel cap right here, and a nice spare tire with, again, Comité International Genève on it. We also have Toyota 4-wheel drive on the left door. These are stickers right here, and the lights are lanced. Snorkel here on the side. I like that when it's off-road. It's a left-hand drive. Let's have a look at the interior. Yeah, never spotted a bad interior with Para 64. Also in the back. Would be cool if there was something lying in the back, accessories, an egg, some boxes with products to help people or something like that. An empty trunk in an off-road, that's not realistic, so that's maybe some small point for improvement for Para 64. Yeah, steering wheel is okay, interior okay, pretty basic, but it looks realistic, and that's the most important thing. Let's take it off the base. There we go. And we got a plastic base with some details, not much. Would be cool if the exhaust was in silver. You see that a lot lately with other premium diecast models, and I appreciate that. Yeah, Para 64. Don't like the hole for the screw. That is not necessary. You can use some plastic. But yeah, on the other side, plastic is not good for the environment, let's be honest. Yeah, a very nice model. I'm glad I'm having it. Definitely going to make a nice picture with it. And I hope you appreciate the video. If so, please smash the like button. Click, 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 click. Have a nice day, and I'll see you soon with more diecast. Bye.